Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today on another linguistic adventure. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the English language to explore a very common, yet powerful word. Our word of the day is can. Can is an A1 level modal verb, and it expresses ability or possibility. So, what exactly does that mean? Well, can is used to indicate that someone or something is able to do something, or that something is possible. It's a word we use all the time, often without even thinking about it, but it plays a crucial role in how we communicate. Think about it. You might say, I can swim, which means you have the ability to swim. Or you might ask, can you help me? Which expresses the possibility of receiving assistance. It's a versatile little word with a big impact. Now, let's explore some synonyms for can. While no word perfectly captures the nuance of can, we can find words that express similar ideas. One synonym is able to. For example, instead of saying I can speak Spanish, you could say I am able to speak Spanish. See how the meaning is essentially the same? Another synonym is capable of. You might hear someone say, she is capable of handling this project. This is similar to saying she can handle this project. To further illustrate, let's use these synonyms in some sentences. He is able to run a marathon demonstrates the ability to complete a long-distance race. The machine is capable of producing 100 units per hour, shows the potential output of the machine. Now let's switch gears and explore some antonyms. What words express the opposite of ability or possibility? A good antonym for can is unable to. If someone can sing, the opposite would be that they are unable to sing. Another antonym is incapable of. For example, he is incapable of lying, suggests he does not have the ability or nature to be dishonest. Let's see these antonyms in action. I am unable to attend the meeting means you do not have the ability to go. The car is incapable of starting in cold weather means it lacks the ability to function in those conditions. So, how can you use can in your everyday life? Well, the possibilities are endless. You can use it to ask for permission like, can I borrow your pen? You can use it to offer help such as, I can help you with that. You can use it to express your own abilities like, I can play the guitar. It is a crucial word for navigating daily interactions. Think about these common expressions. Can do, which is an enthusiastic way of saying you're willing and able to complete a task. Or can't complain, which is often used to express satisfaction, even if things aren't perfect. Here are some more examples of can in sentences. You can achieve your dreams if you work hard. We can go to the park after lunch. Can you believe how quickly time flies? She can speak 3 languages fluently. The doctor said I can start exercising again. Here are some phrases where can is commonly used. Can I have? Used when requesting something politely. Can you please? Used when asking someone to do something. Can't wait. Used to express excitement about something in the future. Can't help it. Used when something is unavoidable. So, to recap, can is an A1 level modal verb that expresses ability or possibility. Synonyms include able to and capable of, while antonyms include unable to and incapable of. Can is used in countless everyday situations, from asking for help to expressing your talents. It is a fundamental word for English language learners and speakers alike. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you enjoyed learning about the word can. Before you go, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, and it means the world to me. Also, I'd love to see how you use the word can in your own life. Create your own sentence using can and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to read them. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.